Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In this session, we will solve some problems related to electromagnetic waves. Let us see the first question. The wavelength of a wave with propagation constant 0.1 into pi plus j 0.2 pi meter inverse or per meter. Okay, given that gamma equal to what? Given gamma equal to 0.1 pi plus j 0.2 into pi per meter. Of course, it is measured in per meter. So, it is in the form of what? Alpha plus j beta. Alpha plus j beta. Therefore, beta equal to what? 0.2 pi. What they are asking us from this, we can determine the wavelength of the wave, that is lambda equal to what? 2 pi by beta. 2 pi, and we find this beta as 0.2 pi. So, now this pi gets cancelled out. 2 by 0.2, that is nothing but we can write this as what? 20 by 2. Finally, we got this as 10. So, that is why lambda equal to what? 10 meters. This is about the calculation of the lambda from propagation constant. We know that propagation constant is nothing but what? Gamma equal to alpha plus j beta. So, here beta equal to 0.2 pi, alpha equal to 0.1 into pi. Okay. Now, move on to another one. What is that? A plane wave propagating through a medium. A plane wave propagating through a medium with epsilon r equal to 8. Mu r, it is not mu 2, mu r equal to 2, sigma equal to 0 as E equal to 0.5 sin into 10 to the power 8t minus beta z volt per meter. The wave impedance in ohms is dash. Okay, we need to determine what? Given E as what? That is 0.5 sin 10 to the power 8t minus beta z volt per meter. Okay. Here wave is travelling along the positive z direction. It is in the form of what? E naught into sin of omega t minus beta z. It is for expression of the E. We know that E equal to like this for lossless medium. Lossless medium. It is for what? Lossless medium. For lossy medium, E has what? E equal to E naught into e to the power minus alpha z. There exists alpha like this, E naught into e to the power minus alpha z. Due to attenuation constant, there exists a reduction of the signal strength. So, it is in the form of what? We can take sin or cosine form, sin omega t minus beta z. In this case, we consider sin form. Okay. So, it is for lossy medium. It is for what? Lossy medium. It is for lossy medium. So, as the medium is lossless, for lossless medium, so for lossless medium, what they are asking? For lossless medium, wave impedance, that is neta is equal to under root mu by epsilon. So, this can be written as mu naught mu r by epsilon naught epsilon r. This can be written like this, that is mu naught by epsilon naught into root mu r by epsilon r, and root mu naught by epsilon naught is nothing but the intrinsic impedance of the free space. That value is equal to 120 pi. Under root mu naught epsilon naught, under root mu naught by epsilon naught is nothing but the intrinsic impedance of the free space. And here substitute that mu r value, root mu r. What about mu r value? 2, and epsilon r value is what? 8. 2 by 8, that gives 1 by 4, root 1 by 4, that equal to what? 120 pi by 2. This root 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2 only. So, finally, we got, we can calculate this neta as what? 188.5 ohms. So, this is the calculation of the intrinsic impedance from the given data. Now, move on to third one. Okay. Of course, font size is small. Okay, sorry for that one, because of the space problem I wrote like this. I will study this one. A material has a conductivity of 10 to the power minus 2 moles per meter. A material has a conductivity of 10 to the power minus 2 moles per meter, and a relative permittivity of 4, and a relative permittivity of 4. The frequency at which the conduction current in the medium is equal to the displacement current is dash. We need to determine the frequency at which conduction current is equal to the displacement current. First of all, write the given data. What is the given data we have? The solution for the third question. Given a material has a conductivity of 10 to the power minus 2 mho per meter, means sigma is given as 10 to the power minus 2 mho per meter, and a relative permittivity and epsilon r is equal to 4, a relative permittivity of 4. The frequency at which conduction current in the medium is equal to the displacement current is dash. We know the ratio of the conduction current to the displacement current is nothing but what? We know that sigma, that is conduction current, is represented by Jc and displacement current density is represented by Jd. The ratio of magnitudes of conduction current density to the displacement current density is nothing but what? Sigma by omega epsilon. We require what? Calculation of the frequency if these are equal. As these are equal, this ratio equal to what? 1. So that's why this is equal to what? Sigma by omega epsilon. What we required? Frequency at which these currents are equal. As these are equal, since we considered what? The magnitude of Jc is equal to the magnitude of Jd. So that's why here we will get the frequency at which these are equal. Now substitute this one. Sigma is what? 10 to the power minus 2 mho per meter, and omega, that is 2 pi into f, and epsilon can be written like this, that is epsilon naught epsilon r, and we can find this f. What we required? F, that is frequency at which these currents are equal, that is f equal to 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 pi epsilon naught, that equal to 1 by 36 pi into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay. Now simplify this. If you simplify this, we will get what? That is pi cancelled out, and we will get this as what? 10 to the power minus 2. This becomes 10 to the power 2 by 36, that is 18. Epsilon naught. I forgot to write one thing. This is epsilon naught only, and we have also epsilon r value, that is 4. Okay. So that is 2 into 4 each. Okay. Now we can write this like this, that is we can send this 36 to numerator, and 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 9, that is 10 to the power 7 by 2 into 4. Here we will cancel this one 9 times, and this can be written like this, that is 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5 into 10 to the power 7 edges, or else we can write that simplified one as equal to what? 45 into 10 to the power 6 edges, or simply 45 megahertz. So that means what? At this frequency, conduction current is equal to the displacement, conduction current is equal to the conduction current equal to the displacement current. So the answer is what? F equal to 45 megahertz. So this is all about the calculation of the wavelength from the gamma, and the calculation of the intrinsic impedance for the given medium, that is of course lossless medium, and calculation of frequency if conduction current equal to the displacement current density. This ratio sigma by omega epsilon is called as what? Dissipation factor. If you want this topic, details about this topic, we can find this topic at a topic called dissipation factor. Please refer the video related to the dissipation factor or else loss tangent. Okay, we will meet in next video.